Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to another episode on the 3rd Gen Camaro project, and this one's going to be kind of like something you can do when you're bored at your house. And what I'm going to be doing is using this product right here, which is Solution Finish Black Trim Restore. I'll link it down in the description below. It had a bunch of good reviews online, so I'm going to try this stuff out. And basically what this is going to do is take this ugly, let me show you. See this black trim right here, how it's not even close to as dark as the black trim up here, which is pretty in really good shape. This stuff is like all worn down and everything. So what this stuff apparently is going to do is make this black plastic black and shiny like it was when it came from the factory back in 1992. And right off the bat, I'm going to give you some before and after shots so you can see what it is that is going to be the result of this. And that way you can kind of stick around for the video if that's the result you're looking for. But yeah, let's hop into this. I'm going to wear some black rubber gloves. I'm going to use some isopropyl alcohol to prep the surface, I guess. Prep the surface, basically clean all the dirty shit off of it. And then we're going to go in with this solution finish black, whatever. All right, so we got our microfiber towel and some alcohol on there. You got to be sparing with the alcohol because we are on quarantine. And I'm just going to go over this surface, make sure I get in all the little crevices here, and clean this area. And the great thing about this is just like, if you're sitting around bored right now during quarantine, you're on lockdown, and you don't know what to do, this is something just kind of fun and cool to do. So alcohol has been on there, it's prepped. I don't know if I'm doing a super professional job of this. Let's take the cap off of this little solution black finishes. Got a little pour nozzle, little orifice diffuser, technical term for it. And from the reviews I've seen, a little bit goes a long way with this. So I'm gonna put just a little bit. Why is it not? Maybe I need to shake it. It came out clear for a second there. Okay, there we go. So shake it before you use it. And we're just gonna be kind of careful here to get just the trim and not the door carpet. Actually, let's protect this a little bit actually. I'm just using a little pry tool here to kind of pry this plastic up so I can get slipped in underneath there with my paper here, like that. We'll get another sheet on this side. All right, now we got some paper protecting the door carpet. Let's throw some more black trim stuff on there. And I think it's not going to do as much for this bottom stuff because it's not porous, but this stuff should do really well, this like porous material right here. But I'm going to put it on wherever, no matter what, you know, because I don't give a heck. And I'm just going to do from here this way, so you'll be able to see the difference from here and that, hopefully. I'm gonna let this dry for a few minutes and I'll show you the after. Okay, so first thing I notice is that this part is kind of black, but the stuff right here that is like hard plastic and not, here's the difference. If you scratch it, you hear nothing there. You hear it there. This is like a textured plastic right here. This inside is that there's no texture at all, so I don't think this solution can seep through that. So let's take this and let's go under the hood and try some of the plastic that's under the hood so I can kind of give you guys an idea of what all this is going to work on. Okay, so what I'm going to kind of start on is this big plastic piece right here. So we'll start on this side, and what I'll do is I'll put a piece of tape down and I'll work on this side, cleaning this side, then we'll take the tape off. You can see the difference between this and this. So we'll see if it works. All right, alcohol. Let's get this side cleaned off. All right, we're gonna pour some more of this trim restore. Oh wow, that's probably plenty. And we'll go to town here. Oh, get that off the bumper. Okay, now we're gonna let that dry and I'll be back in a minute. All right, looks pretty dry so far. I mean, it looks wet, just in general, the concept of it makes it look wet, but it's dry. Like it's not moving around when I touch it. So let's peel this tape back. And look at that difference. Holy smoke. So this is gonna work. So this stuff is gonna work great for doing the engine bay plastics. Get that out of here. The engine bay plastics, that's gonna work great for that. So this piece right here, my intake, these rubber hoses if I wanted to. I'm trying to think what else is like plastic in here. caps for the reservoirs. And that's probably it for the engine bay. So yeah, I'm gonna link this stuff down below, the solution finish. It's an Amazon link. It will be an affiliate link. Shut the heck up! So I will get a commission for the affiliate link if you guys use this link. But yeah, this is gonna work really well for plastics that are like textured or porous at all. Make sure you prep your surface if you don't have alcohol. Try and find some if you can't find some. And my friend's coming to interrupt me, so I can't do any more.
Don't listen to him! Don't listen to him, he's lying! Who's the...
I'll never lie to you guys. I might lie. But yeah, guys, check this stuff out. I'll link it down below. That's the end of the video. Have a great day as always. Thanks for watching. If you're into the Camaro stuff, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button if this video helped you out at all. And thanks for watching. Bye.